First, we're making coconut curd, also known as latik. Pour the coconut milk into a wide pan and cook over medium heat. Stir occasionally and let it come to a gentle boil. As it cooks, the coconut milk will start to separate into oils and solids. Lower the heat and continue stirring. Once fragrant and golden, turn off the heat and strain the curds from the oil. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups glutinous rice flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 3 cups coconut milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Mix until smooth and lump-free. Divide the mixture into 3 equal portions. To the first portion, add 1/2 teaspoon Pandan flavor and 1/2 teaspoon yellow food color. Mix well. To the second portion, add 1/2 teaspoon yub flavor and yub food coloring. Mix well. Grease a pan using the oil from the coconut curd. Prepare your steamer over medium heat. Pour in the first layer and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes or until set. Pour the second layer on top, steam again until set. Add the last plain layer and steam until fully cooked. Let it cool before slicing. Enjoy your soft, colorful, and delicious Sapin-Sapin.